Working with backgrounds is fairly straightforward. We can apply them to individual slides, we can apply them to groups of slides, or selected slides, or the deck as a whole. So let's go ahead and select a couple slides off in our slide selector pane, and we will go to the design ribbon. We'll hit the Format Background button. And now, notice if I select Gradient, I've affected the two slides off to the left here, only the selected slides. That one's kind of hideous. I'll back that out with a Control-Z. Or if I wanted to do something like get a picture or a texture, that'll apply to those slides. And maybe that's not what I want. Maybe I want to find something online. Like we search for templates, I can search for a texture here too. So we'll take a look at textures. And I'll select one of these textures and we'll see what happens. We'll insert that, and that becomes our background. Now you'll notice with the complexity of this background, our text becomes a little bit more obscure, and you can imagine that this would eat up a lot of printer ink if we were to print this. So there's a couple things we can do. We can either choose a different background. We could maybe convert the background to grayscale, or we could change our fonts and maybe put them onto give them an outline or something like that to differentiate them from the background. Or we could even use this button or checkbox to hide the background graphics. And if we wanted to apply it to all the slides, we could apply to all. But I'm not using this background, so I'm going to hit Control-Z and back that out. To what we started with, because this is the background that we're going to be using going forward. So I'd like to give you a chance to give that a try now.